Best way of patching datetime in Django unit tests. I am using a homebrew datetime mock to patch out datetime throughout the code, see at the very bottom, but other people seem to hit problems understanding how it works, and hit unexpected problems. Consider the following test. Now if you look at how Django datetime field serializes dates to SQL. Source. This part gets executed as you call u.save in the test. As this point in the Django code value of value, u.last_login, is of type datetime because we've assigned the value in the test using an unpatched version of datetime, since our import is at the module level, and the patch is at the method level. Now in the Django code, datetime is patched, therefore is equivalent to, which is false, but is true. Hence the datetime object gets converted to a datetime.date, and when you retrieve u2.last_login from the SQL, the value is actually datetime 2014-04-01-000, and not datetime 2014-04-01-14-00. Hence the tests fail. The way around this is to replace with but this seems prone to mistakes and tends to confuse people using or writing the tests. Especially in cases where you need the real now value, you have to either do datetime_to_fake datetime.datetime.now, or call fake datetime.now, but make sure that the previous test has unset the fake datetime.now_value. I am looking for a way to make this more intuitive, but at the same time avoid having to patch the datetime objects in particular sub-modules, as there might be many of them, and just patch it throughout the code. Code for the homebrew mock. Thanks.
There is this URL that works with Django.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.